Hello everyone, welcome to a new series of learning Abacus. Today we are going to learn about Abacus. What is Abacus and where it is originated? Actually it is originated from China. So what is the use of learning Abacus? Abacus is used for learning easy way of calculating addition, subtraction and multiplication. Today I'll show you the kit, how to handle the kit and use the kit by using the Abacus method of calculation. So let's get started. So this is the kit. This is the Abacus toolkit. These are all upper beats. Upper beats or heaven beats. These are called the upper beats or the heaven beats. And these beats, that is the lower beats, are called addition by adding the numbers 5 plus 3. So in this, if you want to add 5 plus 3, so here it's 5. After 5, 1, 2, 3. So how much it is? 5 after 6, 7, 8. So 8 is the answer. Now 4 plus 2. How will you calculate? This is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 after 2. 1, 2. This is 6. Answer is 6. Now subtraction. For instance, 6 minus 1. What is the answer? So this is 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. After this, for instance, 5 minus 1. This is 5. 5 minus 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 minus 1 is 4. Now let's add 3-digit addition. That is 5 plus 2 plus 2. How will you add this number? This is 5 plus 1, 2, again 1, 2. So total 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer is 9. So why should you learn Abacus? Abacus is very important and very essential for the students. They will calculate like a computer. So there is no need of struggling to calculate the addition, subtraction and the multiplication. So if you want to learn Abacus, just know the idea what is Abacus.